this part of your book has some very important keywords. The word study and the word findings. Please bring out your notebook. Write this down. Okay? The first thing we've learned was the word different, isn't it? The second important vocabulary for matching is the word findings and the word study. They always go together. Findings, study. Okay? Now, when we say findings, this means a result. Or it's a discovery. Discovery is 명사, it's a noun. When we say study, in matching vocabulary, it doesn't mean learning, different meaning. It means research. Also, the IELTS will use second word, experiment. Finally, they will use the word test. John, how do you know that? Because I've read IELTS books again and again. They always paraphrase using this word. Don't use your dictionary. Just a waste of time, and you will learn other unimportant words. Only this. Okay, everybody say findings.
Findings.
Result.
Result.
Discovery.
Discovery.
Research.
Research.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Test.
Test.
Good. Now let's go back here to number 1. There are how many letters? A to H. I'd like you to find the 2 words that you need to look for. What are they? Number 1, findings. Number 2, study. They are in the same line. A to H. Can you find them? I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. Ready? Start. Okay, so what letter did you find? If you have a look at letter F, it says a month later, we were able to test it again. What is test? Study. What is another word? Experiment. Everybody say experiment.
Experiment.
Research.
Research.
And the other one is findings. What's the other one? Results. You don't need to understand everything. What you need to do is match the keywords. Understand? Now, we'll go to number 4 first. A description of a habitat. Habitat and description is most important. Oh, this one, Mina. After 10 years, they give up. Yep, experiment. And here, because of the word comma, the word result here means an effect, not finding. And that's a very good question. As a result, in English means it's an effect. What's the difference? Because of the 2 comma here, this is not part of the idea. Understand? So Mina's question, why here and here is same? The difference is the comma. It's not part of the main idea. Okay? Good question, Mina. Thanks. Now, let's go here to description of a habitat. Third important vocabulary. Description. It's a noun. 명사. The verb is describe. Everybody say description.
Description.
Describe.
Describe.
I hope you get one this. Okay? First, different, range, and various. What are you looking for? Comma, 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 명사. Now, description or describe, you're going to look for comma, 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 comma. But this time, you're going to look for adjectives. A, one, two, three. 형용사, 형용사. It's an adjective. Together in the same line. Example? The question will say, a description of a building. And the passage will say, the building is tall, sturdy, expensive, and iconic. Description, comma, comma, comma. 1, 2, and 3. Are they adjective? Tall is an adjective, isn't it? What does sturdy mean, John? Everybody say sturdy.
Sturdy.
Strong.
Strong.
Sturdy means strong for item. For example, oh, this table is very sturdy. Strong table. Expensive. And iconic with IC. What is ic? Adjective. John, what does iconic mean? Everybody say icon.
Icon.
You know icon, isn't it? So iconic means that this is an important building. If you think of Sydney, what building comes to your mind? Opera House. If you think of Paris, what building? Eiffel Tower. What about China? Marijanzong, right? The Great Wall of China. So this is iconic. Understand? And these days, if people think of Korea, they will think of Gyeongbok, the Gyeongbok Palace. It's iconic. Everybody say iconic.
Icon.
Adjective, 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 adjective. Description. In the test, they usually give you 3 adjectives. Usually. Not 10, not so many. Just 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? We need to learn an important word. Habitat. Habitat. And it's together with an animal vocab. If you want to take IELTS test and you need score in reading, never go to the test without these 4 vocabulary. Why? You have 25% getting an animal topic. Okay? And you need essential. What is essential? Very important. You cannot pass without knowing these words. So number 1 is habitat. Number 2 is species. Number 3, predator. And number 4 is pray. They're very important vocabulary for reading test. So if you don't know these, put that in your notebook. But if you know that, that's okay. Right? Now, number 1 is habitat. Everybody say habitat.
Habitat.
What does habitat mean? It is the home of animals. It's their natural home. Question. Where is the habitat of the shark? The shark. You know, the ocean. Do not say, I'm sorry, I need to go to my habitat. It's already 12 o'clock. You are not an animal. Okay, so we use, what did we learn yesterday? Home or adobe. Is it? Abode. Good. Everybody say abode.
Abode.
Home.
Home.
Habitat.
Habitat.
Good. What about the word species? I think this is the easiest word. What does species mean? A type or a kind of animal. Next, the word predator. Predator. What does it mean? These are hunter animals. It means they are strong and they eat other animals. What's a good example? Tiger. What about in the water? What's a good example? Shark. And in the air, an eagle. Good. They are strong animals. 3 and 4 are connected. They're partnered. Strong, weak animal. And they're always eaten. And in the reading, they are paraphrased as the diet. John, diet? Like losing weight? No, that's Konglish. Diet means food. Understand? Example. The diet of the lion includes smaller animals. The food of the lion includes smaller animals. Diet, food, or pray. John, I thought pray means, Lord, please give me a score. That's a different spelling. Okay? That's P-R-A-Y. This is E-Y. Pray. Everybody say pray.
Pray.
Predator.
Predator.
Species.
Species.
Habitat.
Habitat.
You need to learn this. And remember, if you take the test, why 25% animal reading topic? Okay? Now let's go back to the question. Number 4, description. What is description? Comma, comma, adjective. What is habitat? Home. By the way, when we say habitat, the key word that you're going to look for is usually live. They live there. Okay? Can you find which paragraph is a description of a habitat? Ready? Start.